Welcome to Lenino. Today we are going to discuss RRB previous year questions of science. First question, which of the following is a study of spiders? Option A, arachnology. Option B, anthropology. Option C, epidemiology. Option D, cynology. Answer is option A, arachnology. Arachnology is a study of spiders. Anthropology, study of human culture or civilization. Epidemiology, study of honeybees. Epidemiology is the study of honeybees. Cynology is study of dogs. So, question is which of the following is a study of spiders? It is answer is arachnology, study of spiders, arachnids. Anthropology is a study of human culture or civilization. Option C, apiology is a study of honeybees. Apiology is a study of honeybees. Cynology is a study of dogs. Cynology is a study of dogs. Zoology is a study of lizard. Zoology is a study of lizard. Dash is a written document that draws from research depicting an anthropological culture. Answer is ethnography. Ethnography is a branch of anthropology which provides a systematic study of people and cultures. It is designated to explore cultural phenomena where the researcher looks at the society to observe the object of the study. Cultural relativism is the idea that a person's beliefs, values, and practices should be understood on the basis of that person's own culture. What is the study of birds called? Study of birds called ornithology. Ornithology is the study of birds. Entomology is the study of insects. Herpetology is the study of amphibians and reptiles. The scientific study of preserved remains or science of animals, plants, and other animals of ancient time is called the paleontology. The scientific study of preserved remains or science of animals, plants, and other creatures of ancient times is called paleontology. What is the study of botany? It is plant. Study of botany is plants are studied under botany. What is studied in botany? Plants are studied under botany. Botany is a branch of biology that deals with the study of plants, including their structure, properties, and biochemical processes. Oncology is associated with the treatment of which disease? Oncology is treatment of cancer, associated with the treatment of cancer. Osteoporosis is a condition that affects the bones. Osteoporosis is a condition that affects the bones. Osteoporosis increases the size of space between bones, causing the bone to lose strength and density. Diabetes is a disease that occurs when blood sugar level increases. Renal failure is a condition which the kidneys stop working and are not able to remove waste and extra water from the blood or keep body's chemicals in balance. What is mycology? Mycology is a study of mushroom. Mycology is the study of fungi, their relationship to each other and other organisms, and the unique biochemistry which sets them apart from the other groups. Mushroom is a type of fungi. Study of bacteria is known as bacteriology. Study of virus is called virology. So, what is mycology? It is study of mushroom. Mycology is a study of fungi, their relationship to each other and other organisms, and the unique biochemistry which sets them apart from other groups. Mushroom is a type of fungi. Study of bacteria is known as bacteriology. Study of virus is called virology. Mycology is related to the study of option B, fungus. Mycology is a discipline of biology that describes and studies a very vast group of organisms denominated as fungi. This group contains around 90,000 species. The fungi are very variable because they include both the macroscopic and a microscopic organism. All of them share some common characteristics. Some of virus is called virology. Study of human cell is known as cytology, while study of bacteria is known as bacteriology. What is oneirology called? Studied. Oneirology is the study of dreams. Sericulture is related to silkworm cultivation. Sericulture is a process of cultivating silkworms and extracting silk from them. Toxicology is the study of poison. Toxicology is the scientific study of adverse effects that occur living organisms due to chemicals. It involves observing and reporting symptoms, mechanism, detection and treatment of toxic substances, in particular relation to the poisons of humans. What is the study of fossils called? It is called paleontology. So this is the last question of this section. Thank you.